And good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. It is August 20th. Test mic. Um, this disclosure here, I just want to be fair with you. I stole it. I didn't even bother creating my own. As you can see, there are some things here. Again, this is completely entertainment, educational, non-educational. This is not professional advice. No one here should be taking me seriously. I'm clearly a speculator just having some fun. Again, I am not a professional. No one here should be listening to me seriously. If you are taking anything here I say, I hope you are practicing restraint and proper money management because that is entirely up to you. This is, again, purely entertainment and fun. This is not meant to be serious. If you are, that is your own accord. I am not the one here to make your decisions. You are pushing the trigger if you are on your own. I am not to be held responsible or liable for any of your actions. You are your own person. You are responsible for yourself. All right, let's get into it, folks. A lot of yammering. I'm going to keep the chart like this. Yesterday, I looked at my broad stream, my live stream, I should say, and just I wasn't happy with it. So I'm just going to leave this on ES on the 1 minute. I'm on my 3 pane type of situation, but I'm going to try to keep talking as less as I can. That's not how I really want it. I want time, which I have down there. Time is going to be right there. I don't care about the price axis. Again, these are my levels, not your levels. If you want to look at your own levels, you can. I'm signing to my broker. I'll show you at the end of my, if I do take any trades, I'll show you what that looks like. And I'm just going to keep it like that. I know it's going to be goofy, but we'll have the dollar here for, and then we'll look at the dollar here real quick and let's see what's going on. Lower dollar, I believe, today. Going to five on my dollar. Alright, yeah, I could be expecting some lower prices in dollar right now, but we'll see. USNQ dropping, YM still holding above its lows. Yeah, ES and NQ are just melting right now, and again, I'm on the lowest leverage. Cheapest leverage is one contract on the MNQ and MESU. Well, let's start. I'm just stretching. Alright. 9:46 is our local time right now. Let's see, what is this? That is the 9:39. Oh no, 9:31 actually is our first presented our FPFVG. So that's Fox Papa Foxtrot Victor Golf. All right. We are open for business. All right. Let's see, what are you trying to do today? I'm just going to minimize OBS altogether because that's just going to have me all goofed up if I keep looking at that. So sell side is right over here. Buy side right here. But let me look at my gaps. Let me look at my wogs and dogs actually. So this wog. The economic calendar. I haven't seen this one. Econo days, what this one is, and today we are on the 20th of August. So this is. Let me refresh this again. Alright. We got Atlanta Fed business, inflation expectations. Oh, cool. No. Bloomberg, no. Factory. Let's see what you got from me today. Okay, we got meeting minutes at 2 p.m. That's cool. Crude oil. Why did it change to yellow gravy? It used to be orange, medium impact now, but whatever. So Waller speaks at 11 a.m. today, New York local time. Mr. Waller, FOMC member Waller. But okay. Going for that sell side. There is some more low, but we'll see what happens right now. I don't know. I'm not honestly looking to go into any trades right now. That's just me. But let me look at my dogs here real quick. My dogs. Where you at, my dogs? Come on through. I am live. Alright. So I like live streaming because it keeps the task on hand, and then the task on hand is basically observing price. I'm not fiddling on my phone. I'm not scrolling through Twitter. I'm not opening up another web browser, just viewing and surfing the interweb. I am solely focused on presenting my journal. And again, this is what this is. It's a journal for me. I yap a lot. This is for my own personal purposes. And my own backtest and study is this right here. Well, let's see what happens right now. A lot's going on in the world. Yeah, there's more pumping. Pumping. Yeah, dollar's going higher, man. YM's dropping too, finally. Alright, YM just took out its sell side. MNQxMESU still dropping. I still don't see an SMT anywhere. Yesterday my bias worked out for bearish, even though I went bullish. That's interesting too. But my apologies, I'm still a little stuffy. Alright, so dollar's going higher, so I'm expecting lower prices on everything across the board. Alright. So this is what I'm expecting, right? On the 5 minute here, I wanted to touch IPTA here at 63.80, do a little bit bouncing back and forth, and then um, I'm looking, maybe this should be an inversion. It's just pretty LR right here, low resistance liquidity, all the way here to the bottom. Or what could happen is we could enter a seeker destroy or a high resistance liquidity starting at 10 a.m. Because until we have Walder talk. So we have to wait until Walder talks, I guess. Crude oil comes out in 10:30, so maybe there could be waiting for that too. But we'll wait and see. Yeah, we got that. We got that. So we just gotta wait and see what happens. I don't know why I just did that. I thought that was an order block going up, and it is going up. Trigger happy panic. Going up now. But initially I want to see a inversion here. That's all. Again, the terminology and the concepts I'm using are not mine. Please do not hold me responsible, accountable in any way for me to be doing what I am doing. I'll show this again here. I do like the order blocks though. I am more favorite of order blocks than fair value gaps, but fair value gap is where I started learning. So I'm glad I just got out of that one and to try and chase that. It's really relieving. What the hell did I do? Yeah, $2.71, guys. That's me. So I mean, it took out the sell side here. Going on into a 4-hour. See, it took out that low, but it's not taking out this low here on NQ. So if you look at your MNQ, it's not going below 22.042 and a quarter. And it definitely took out the sell side and relative lows at 63.87 and a half at MES. So now I'm looking to see if there's just a divergence here, or is it just going to continue sinking? I don't know what's going to happen, but I do know there's a lot of sell side at 22.781. Well, let's see what happens. 786, I should say. 22.786. And again, same thing with ES being as 62.34. Let's look at this here for a second. Okay, we're now hitting an IPDA. Let's see if that's all right. An IPDA is being hit. Let's see what happens with that IPDA. It's the midpoint between my WOGs of Friday 25th July and Monday 21st July. The midpoint of my WOGs. So earlier the trade that I took, I believe, the gambler in me came out. The analyst, the trader, everyone said, let's go, baby. Let her rip. And I have to learn to be patient above all else. But let's go. All right. Still sinking. I'm a panic pusher. I'm working through that, but again, I'm with the lowest leverage right here. But we'll see what happens. See this SMT and MNQ and MES. Went lower, MES didn't. Let me look at my friend the dollar. Still see some sell side above here, but I don't know. 1030 is what we're waiting for, I guess, now. Right there. Gotta go to 63.69. It's a good way to get out. Three trades is what I've taken so far. This is an order block. It's three of a pair. Touched the opening price, went up. I want to see it go up there, 63.96 and a half. If not, at least it'll touch one of these FVGs and bounce back down and continue on down. And we'll see what happens when that delivers. I don't know how high it would go on the FVG because there's two of them to manage risk. So again, you should be listening to me when you're taking these trades. And a deal and a story. That's it. I'm looking to carve out my future with this. I don't know what any of you will be doing with this, but this is what I'm focused on, right? I'm 30 now. I hope to make it somewhere further down the line. But 3 decades on this rock. Let's see. Let's see if I can finally do it. Carve out my future with this. Because I'm hurting. Because this is a breaker right here. It's like low, high, low, lower, low. But there's no fair value gap. If I was going around 30 seconds, there may be a fair value gap right here. Guaranteed there would be. Yeah, there it is. Fair value gap right there. Entry. That's an IOFEV. And that's some relative equal highs right there. So let's see it deliver again, 63.96 and 3/4 on a 30-second. But let's see how far back down does it go. There is also no below 50% of this is this fair value gap. I may want to again do that ice pick analogy I gave yesterday right here. At 10:30 actually, so I'm actually really curious to see if that happens, but we'll see. I'll leave it on a 30-second for right now. I'm going back to the 1 minute. I like this 1 minute. Version order block right there with that green candle, and it's going now. So I gotta really figure out my schedule. That's one thing I want to talk about. I really want to go to the gym. I've completely given up the gym right now. I'm solely focused on this and work, and it's completely toxic. I don't like it. I need to find a schedule that works, but I work about 13, 14 hours a day. It's really rough. And again, that's why I'm doing this. Again, I want to go to the gym. Like it is kind of my day off, but it's really not. I'm still gonna go into work. I'm working right now, as you can see, but like I don't know if I can carve out time for the gym. I really want to lift weights. I love yoga. I love yoga, the breathing techniques, the meditation, the zen of it. I love it. It's kind of one of my favorite things. It kind of saved my life, to be honest with you. Yoga brought me from the brink of almost doing something really, really stupid. And now I'm not able to do it because I'm so consumed with this and work and just trying to live a life, and I have no support from anyone right now. I thought I had support from a friend, but right now I really don't. And it's not even that it's jealousy or this, it's just that we have two different frame of mindset. He's a father, I'm single, and it's difficult seeing things play out this way because it's not how I wanted my 30s to go at all. See, now it's dropping it. So it touched that, it didn't even touch the fair value gap. It just says, nah, I'm going down. But it did touch this breaker in a sense. Low, high, low, I'm sorry, high, low, high, high, and whoop. So it's still continuing down. PD area matrix is still in effect here, if you know what that is. But yeah, not being able to show up for the gym or, I love it, man. I love it. There was a lot of isolation in my childhood and it just sucked. But this is where I'm at right now. I'm in a customer service field. And again, right now, even that kind of is a lot of draining because I'm in transportation and hospitality right now, and weather hasn't been kind to us here in Chicago. And it's really hard to be a certain type of someone, right? So let's see, 10:30. Like I said, it's gonna. What did I say about the 30? Oh no, not that one. Oh, it just melted. All right, crude oil, 20 seconds. Goku said something really beautiful once. This power should come in a response of a need, not a want. And I need it in a response of need. All right, crude oils. Boop, boop, boop. It could be just generating more liquidity here, putting in some lows and highs and lows. But it's funny you said, that's not funny yet, but we'll see. Damn, crude oil is melting this. Looks like it still wants to go for that sell site that I believed it to be this on the higher time frame. But I mean, if it is going all the way back down here, right? So this is all like one-way delivery, right? On a 4-hour. What the? And that's just a 156-minute chart, I guess, right? How did that happen? I don't know. But every 156 minutes, I guess. We'll see what happens. But there's just all this sell side down here. And those are some pretty relative equal lows, man. They are damn near smooth on a 156-minute chart. I don't know how that happened, but I just took out sell side. So let's see what it does. It's got to reprice efficiently on the upside too now. Now, I kind of see an SMT here. You see, if you look at NQ, higher lows, MES, lower lows. All right, let's see what happens. I'm probably thinking I'm going to kill this stream at 11:10, the end of my golden zone, my golden ticket, my golden low, my golden row, my row, right? Right. So that delivery on the bullish side didn't happen, even though I saw it go here. I mean, I took some ticks off. Good enough for me at the end of the day. All right. You know what? I'm actually going to pull this one out. Oops. Yeah, that's the apex. Taurus. I'm actually a Taurus. If anyone's curious, but yeah. I'm a Taurus. Taurus. What are you doing, Dixie? You know what? I could be wrong, and I could anticipate lower prices in dollar actually. The SMT is pretty cool. Cracking correlations, baby. That YM went lower than everything else. This went lower, a medium low, but NQ is where it made the higher low. So that's where I am focusing is NQ has weakness on the bear side, so that may want to turn around and go bullish. But we'll see. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. I like to keep popping this open because, again, this should be completely entertainment purposes, not serious trade advice. I am not held responsible for any of your button pushing. That is entirely up to you. The same way I am entirely responsible for my button pushing. I know it's got to be annoying here, all turning those disclaimers over and over. But again, I ain't trying to get locked up. I'll tell you this, man. Not having a profitable withdrawal is the equivalent of being locked up in your head. It's all your crazy mind thoughts. Oh my god! Alright, let's see what's going on. I will still always favor to trade MES no matter what. MES, MES, MES. I didn't even check OBS. Let's see what's going on with the OBS right here. Am I still live? Yeah, I'm still live. Look at that. I'm just playing around with OBS right now. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, there you go, far. I don't know how I could do that. I gotta really look at OBS and find a tutorial on how to actually properly use this thing. I just jumped into it yesterday because I just wanted to get live um, and just do it. Or and I want a slap chop day this is. See, this is what I think would be considered a oh no, I'm sorry, a high RLR, high resistance liquidity run. Yeah, see, I gotta think about these stuff. So it's all the acronyms. So what this is basically is also is OJT. OJT is also called on-job training. That's what we are at right now. We are on the job training. Okay, I'm training myself to be on the job. But yeah. So I guess crude oil didn't do much, but I guess we're gonna have to wait for Mr. Waller to come out and talk to us. Yeah, Waller's coming up. And then we have, I don't know what the hell is this. Yellow gravy. 3 o'clock. What's going on at 3 o'clock? Last one is today, 3 o'clock. Two o'clock we have meeting minutes. I don't know what the truck. Alright, AS is still digging deeper. Now everything else is digging deeper. YM took its sell side out. I don't trade the YM. It took its sell side out, and yeah. Just watching YM drop. And YM starting to gain some strength as ES and NQ drop now. YMs are making lower highs, ES and NQ are making lower lows, and expecting, oh, dollar's now dropping, so let's see what that means for us, because that means ES should be going up, right? Supposedly, we'll see. We have to let it do its course. No rush needed here. Ooh, that also reminds me. So that's some buy side right over here at 63.86, but we'll see that level when that time comes. We are in a golden zone, which is right now happening. So let's see what it delivers. Excuse me. Excuse me, folks. I apologize. Little acid reflex there. Yeah, this is extremely grindy, sloppy right now. I'm not liking that. But we got 11 a.m. Waller, so he better come out on schedule. You know. Dollar is dropping, right? My IPDAs are at where? I'm looking at the dogs. There's nothing really below marketplace. Everything is above marketplace at this time. I go back 5 days with my logs are as relevant. There are previous logs down below here, but for me pertaining specifically anything below marketplace right now are the weekly logs. They are currently, as you see here, they are happening as you see. There's this. That's a good area. It could be going for this one right here. Again, I like to look at relative equal lows and the logs as magnets, so there's that. So again, I'm still holding this bearish. But I would like to see it go bullish, because if I like something doesn't mean it has to happen, you know, but the market's going to do what it does. Again, I'm just in favor of what I want. Alright, 3 minutes to go, Waller. I hope you're getting ready for a good speech, is all I can say. I hope he talks about some sugar candy rush high stuff. You know, have 3 more cups of Reese's every day before you wake up in the morning. I'm just talking stupid here now. Who wants to eat 3 Reese's cups in the morning? I do. I want some Reese's. Patience, child, patience. And I'm going to say this every morning. It's such a struggle getting out of bed. I just don't know what it is. I mean, yeah, I'm excited that the market's moving and I'm able to make some trades, but at the same time, waking up at that hour and just having myself to just get up and go, it's just, I don't know. It's so difficult. Like, 'cause I get so tired. I go to bed around like 2 a.m. our time here because that's when I get home. I gotta brush my teeth, get ready for bed, and it's just like 4 hours, 5 hours of sleep, and it's like such a drag, you know. And on my part, it's a drag because I should be better prepared, you know. All right, so there's some SMTs on the low with NQ, I think. No, that's not an SMT. That's just equal. Oh, yeah, there is an SMT right there. But we'll just have to see and observe what that looks like. All right, Waller, you're up. What's going on, Waller? Talk to me. Alright, and that's it. I'm done for the day. I may want to see this go up there, but I'm done. Up, there it goes. Alrighty, let me show you what I did for the day. That was a 30-second chart as you saw. I'm hoping OBS is still running. I am still live. Okay, so 4 trades, I think total. Well, let me just pull it up for you. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. All 4 were profit. Um, no SL were hit. Um, let me show you. So that's equity balance right there. That's what I'm walking away with, $25. I guess at Domino's, currently one cheese pizza right now is about that price. I could get me a cheese pizza tonight, but I really can't because I'm selling negative equity. 25,000. I'm at 24,518. I'm really proud of myself. This is 2 days I didn't take a loss. This is one day today. Um, I am overcoming panic, trade, and blah blah blah. I'm using this lowest leverage. I am trying every day so hard. Please, uh, just try harder every day. And I think this thing is going to rip higher a little bit because I'm seeing a lower dollar right now. NQ is doing the same thing. Now this is a real gentleman's market right here because look, man, it went in for value gap inversion. Now it's pumping all the way to the moon, right? Now I think I want to see this go get taken out right here. 63.86 is what I'm looking at, but yeah, it is going. It is going. It's going to the moon, guys. No, it's not going to the moon. I'm just being goofy, but I'm just saying that's another great TP right there. I'm really happy, guys. Thank you. Thank you for being here. 4 trades. I really shouldn't have taken a 4 trades. I'm going to go ahead log out of this. I no longer want to be button trigger happy, as you can see. Yeah, I got some favorites. I got a Wanda, Forex, TradeOvate, TradeStation, AMP. Those are what I favorited. As you can see, I'm only operating in TradeOvate. Put this puppy away. I want to type some stuff out. I want to see if I could do it. We'll see how that works out. My blinds are closed. I'm going to open this up, get some sunlight. Guys, thank you, thank you, thank you again. I appreciate and love every single one of you. Thank you for being here today with me. Take care, be safe. Troll me as always. I'm always here for you, not the other way around. You all are one of a kind, beautiful. I wish you all the best success. Please, please be better than me, and always try to strive to be a better person. Don't try to dwell on the negativity in life. Again, today's success, I'm going to give it to the losers. There have been a lot of losers out there, including myself. You only learn from losing, and you build character that way. Thank you, and I love you, truly, from the bottom of my heart. The simplest of strangers can change the trajectory of your life by one encounter is all I could tell you.